Hello, my friends. I tried something a little unusual, and my orchid went from wilted and lifeless to bursting with new roots and thick green leaves. Nobody believed it until they saw it for themselves. Can you guess what I did? Let me show you. My orchid's been growing super slow lately. The roots started rotting, and because of that, it just couldn't bloom properly or stay healthy. Getting rid of the old potting mix helps clear out any leftover bacteria, fungus, or pest eggs that might still be hiding in there. As you can see, a lot of the roots have rotted. It's pretty obvious the plant is in trouble. Let's go ahead and trim off all the rotten roots. Doing this helps prevent disease from spreading and lets the plant focus its energy on growing healthy roots. Don't forget to rinse your orchid with clean water. Also, where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'd love to know. And hey, if you're having any trouble with your orchids, don't hesitate to share. We're all here to learn and grow together. Use cloth to wipe orchids. All right, let's grab a spoonful of sugar. Pouring 1,000 milliliters of warm water. Sugar gives your orchid a quick boost of energy, kind of like a little pick-me-up. Stir the solution. Now, let's soak the orchid in the solution. Soaking it for 30 minutes. Next up, we're using bell pepper. Sounds a bit unexpected, right? But bell peppers are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. They help your orchid recover faster and encourage root growth. Chop the bell pepper into small pieces. Let's toss the chopped bell pepper into the blender. Pour 250 milliliters water. Filter the solution through rails. Don't throw away the bell pepper pulp. You can totally use it as fertilizer. It's still rich in nutrients and works great for improving soil and feeding your plant's roots. Mix the blended bell pepper with the sugar water. Soak it for 20 minutes. Hey, quick question. What you usually do with the leftover pulp after blending stuff for your orchids? Toss it out or repurpose it? Drop your tips in the comments. I'd love to learn from you too. Next up, we're gonna use cinnamon powder. Not just for the smell, it actually helps dry out any cuts and works as a natural disinfectant for your orchid. Alright, it's time to give our orchid a brand new home. After all that care, a fresh and clean setup will help it grow even better. Don't forget to water the orchids with a little moisture. With the remaining solution, we can use it to take care of other plants as well, ensuring they receive the nutrients and moisture they need to thrive. We can take care of the plants by gently wiping their leaves, helping to remove dust and promoting better photosynthesis. Alternatively, you can put the solution into a spray bottle and mist the plants, providing them with a light, even coverage of moisture. Remember, we should only use this solution twice a week and water the plants thoroughly, letting them soak for 20 minutes. Have you ever tried watering orchids with natural ingredients? Share your experience. Just after 4 weeks, the leaves have become tougher and greener, and you can visibly see the difference. Just after 4 weeks, the roots have grown significantly, with new, vibrant green roots sprouting long and branching out in different directions, showing clear signs of healthy development and growth. After 3 months, here's the result. It's truly rewarding to see how the leaves have grown long, large, and healthy, with a vibrant green color. One flower spike has already grown long and strong, proudly showing off its healthy development. The roots have grown even longer and more robust, reaching out steadily and spreading across the soil. They are healthy, vibrant, and full of life, extending deeper and branching out in search of nutrients. Their strong growth is a clear sign of the plant's overall health and vitality. After gentle care, applying everything I showed you earlier in the video, and giving a time look at it now, the flowers are still fresh and vibrant, as if they were never stressed at all. Moments like these make orchid care so rewarding. I hope this video provided you with helpful insights and a little extra inspiration for your orchid care journey. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on fresh tips and exciting updates. Take care, happy growing, and I'll see you in the next video.